If you can use anything, Lord, you can use me. Take my hands, Lord, and my feet. Touch my heart, Lord, and live through me. Love through me. Walk in me. Touch through me. Speak through me. Sing through me. If you can use anything, Lord, you can use me. Hi, everybody. This is your friend. Oh. We are back here again. I say, hi, people. Hi, family. Hi, friends over there. Talking today about if you don't use it, you are going to lose it. And I take that scripture from Matthew 25. Jesus gave an account of the talents. Gave account of the talents. I hope you all are hearing me. Let me check something. Just make sure that we are on. Give account of the talents. Okay. Yeah. So if you don't use it, if we don't use what God has given to us, everything He has given to us, they are to be used. Even the trees are supposed to clap their hands. When the wind blows, to see the trees going like this, they are using their branches. They are clapping. The birds use their voice, their vocal cords, and you hear them chirping. Okay, you hear the water, the sea, you hear the waves, woo, 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 woo. You hear the storm, everything created to be used. So likewise, we are also being created, and God has put stuff in us for us to use. This mouth is to use, but be careful what you use your mouth to do. The muscle to use, our eyes to use, our ears to use. Say, be careful how you hear. Our eyes, everything about us to use. But the key things are what you don't use. What we don't use begins to wither and fade away. And Jesus gave us the account of, I think two occasions. He gave talents, which are actually money. He gave to 5. 80 Lores, gave 5, gave 2, gave 1. But the one decided to bury it. So we're just coming to encourage you today not to bury your talent. Don't bury the gift that God has given to you. You may think that, it's just one. It's just one. How come this person has so much? How come this person? Because God knows our ability. He created us, so He knows what you can do. He knows what I can do. He knows each and every one of us. He knows what we can handle. God placed in us, everything God placed in us is to be used. So we have to endeavor to use it. Don't be like that one servant that went and wrapped it up and buried it. What happened? It was taken from him. Say to whom much is give, the one that brought much, it was given to him. Had they say, take from that one, give it to the one that increased his talent, the one that had 5 and multiplied it. If you do not use your muscle, when somebody's in the hospital for a long time and they're just on the bed and they're not moving, what happens? The muscles go to sleep. I tell people that your muscles have memories, they go to sleep. The muscles go to sleep because of disuse. So what's going to happen? When they're about to leave the hospital, then you have to bring occupational therapy or you bring physical therapy to kind of begin to teach that person how to begin to walk again. The same thing with speech. You bring that speech therapy to begin to teach the person how to begin to talk again, because they have not used their voice for a while. Because they have not used that muscle for a while, the muscles go to sleep. So the same thing with our mind. Hi. The same thing with our mind. When we don't use our mind, our ability to think, our ability to create, our ability to remember stuff begin to fade away. That's why when people getting older, we give them puzzle book. We want them to use their mind. We want them to begin to solve that, begin to work on that puzzle, begin to work on it to kind of make their mind to be active again. What are you doing with your mind? Your mind, you're supposed to use it. Don't they say a mind that is lost is the worst thing. Don't let your mind be lost. Use it. Think. See, I have a pillow here. Don't even can see. Think happy thoughts. What are you thinking with your mind? The scripture said that we should think on the things that are just, pure, holy, and of a good report. We should think of those things. Make sure that you're constantly thinking good. When you're thinking bad, your mind is going to go to sleep. You will not be able to create. Nobody's able to create when all they're thinking is bad, 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 bad. Your mind is non-functional. So you want your mind to be in that creative mode. How about your time? What are you doing with your time? All of us have 24 hours. I wish there was a way where I'll be giving more than that, but unfortunately, it is that is one we say everything is equal. Yeah, equal opportunity for equal everybody, equal 24 hours for everybody. But once you don't use your time, if all you do is sit down and just be clicking the remote and you're watching TV, from TV you're playing game, nothing productive for the day. You see, that time that you used is gone. We can never get it back. The day will sleep. It will go away and we will never get it back. So think, upward 2025, right? Yes, we made it to May. Hallelujah. Upward 2025. What are you doing with your time? Don't let your time slip by. You know you have assignment. You have homework. You have a project at work was dropped on your table. You have something you're supposed to be doing, but you know you were like, I will. No, do it right now, because there's a song that says time waits for no one. So therefore, no one should wait for time. We have to be in the process of moving. Time, when it's gone, you can never regain it. I can never regain it. It's never going to come back. Yesterday is gone. Yesterday was May 20. Yesterday was Sunday, May 25 or so. May 25, yes. He's gone. May 25, 2025 is never going to come back again. It is gone. So whatever I wanted to do yesterday, I did not do. Oh well. And then one last thing that I want us to reconsider also, or consider, put on your table as we're talking about use it or lose it, are the gifts that God has given to you. Do you have a gift of writing? The gift of speaking? Some people are very good. Me, I'm just trying, Some people are very good. They have this oratory gift that when they start, it's just like, where did it? And they didn't even have to learn it. So people have to actually have to learn how to, do public speaking. Some people don't. It's just a gift given to them. Some people are good at managing money. Some people are good. God has given each and every one of us. Some people are good at starting businesses. It's just the gift of God. Some people are just good at being, everybody have different gifts that God has given to us. What are you doing with your gift? If you do not use it, if you bury it like that servant that went and buried it, why did you bury it? Because you're afraid? You're afraid of what people will say? And when you start speaking, maybe they say, oh, this one don't know how to, this one doesn't know how to. It doesn't matter what people say. If it's one gift, just use it. If that's all that God has given to you, because guess what? Whatever gift that you have, you didn't give it to yourself. God gave it to you, and God knows that that's what you can handle. You see, the master gave the gift based on the ability of the servant. The one that got one, that was what he could handle. Say, the one that got two, that was all he could handle. But he also increased it. There's a gift in you. There is something that God has put in you. Maybe you have the gift of being able to, get into a place and the place just become lively. And then you choose to always do what? Be inside the house. You don't go out. Whereas somebody is waiting for you to come and, bring joy, comedy. That's a gift. So people are very good at just like spilling jokes that make people laugh and just in the moment forget about what they're going through. Do you have that gift? Do you have the gift of singing? What are you doing with it? Oh, but I don't have this. I don't have money to go to the studio. I don't have a writer. I don't have whatever. I don't have whatever. It's okay. Lamar said the gatekeepers are gone. You can just take your phone, sit down, and sing. Whatever you want to sing, just sing. Uh, well, some people are like, no, don't do it. Don't. Tell you the story of my life. Somebody gave me a bill. I looked at the bill. It's not going to work. 40,000 to come and do album for waiting. Another person gave me, was it 10? Another person said, oh, if you bring 5,000, we can work. Hi. Oh, Ali. Hey, Roman. Roman the Great. Okay. I see y'all. I see y'all. Clayton, I see you. Hi. I'm saying hi. M-Dog, hi. How you all doing today? Thank you for hanging out with me today. Hi. So use the talent that God has given to you. You may be good at writing. Use it. Write a book. Write a short story. In fact, with the world of AI, you don't have to do it. If you're good at writing, write a book, write a short story, and just post it. And let somebody read and be encouraged. See? Use the gift. If you don't use it, if we don't use what God has given to us, we are going to lose it. God did not give you abilities to just sit and be admiring it. Some people are very good. You're good at drawing, good. So if you're good at drawing, what are you doing with that gift? You need to get a canvas, or you need to get a sketchbook, and just let it out. Let it flow. Let that gift and that talent just flow in the book. 'Cause you never know what that book or that canvas will be worth in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years. You just never know. You never know. Like I was telling you guys about myself. So what I just did, I saw Freddie. I went to Freddie's studio. How much did I pay Freddie? I think $40. Got somebody in Uganda, did me a bit. I think I got somebody else in Ghana. I got I just went there. Freddie said, do this. Freddie said, do this. I was just like, okay, Freddie. And I did my first song, put it on YouTube. That's it. So I can actually tell God, the gift you gave to me, I may not have been able to, be a professionally, whatever they go call them, professional artist or whatever to go to, go the mile, but it's gonna come. But right now, I can say I am putting the little that I can to use. I'm looking for things here and there, and I'm putting it to use. Don't sit down and just be looking and just be admiring yourself. And I usually like Clayton said he loves to draw. Don't just sit down and be admiring, oh, I love to draw. Oh, I love to know. Let's get cracking. My dad would say, get cracking, meaning get to work. Let's get that thing going. Let's get that gift and that talent. Let's get it going. Let's get that song going. Like I said, don't worry about it. Don't worry about how your voice sounds. Don't worry about it. Don't be afraid to put out there what God has given to you. It is God that gave it to you. Don't second guess yourself. Don't doubt your talent. Don't doubt the gifting of God in your life. So what am I saying? Get cracking. Do something with that gift. Do something with your time. Don't just sit down and let your time just pass away. Do something with your mind. Keep your mind in speed. Keep it working. So you can create a song, so you can create a drama, so you can create a skit, so you can create an artwork that people will like, wow, who drew that? Oh, wow. So you can create a design. You can make a shoe, like Clayton. You can actually create a design of a shoe. You can just draw something up. You never know. We just really don't know. But God, in all of us, all his creation, there is a gift and there is a talent according to our ability we have been given. Yes, I can. Can you make a song? Yes, I can make a song. That God gives me inspiration. God gives me inspiration and I sing. And yeah, sometimes I wake up with a song in my heart and it's just I sing it to the Lord. And sometimes I come here and I sing it too. So, follow us. Once in a while, you hear us sing the song that God has given to us. And as God will help us one day, oh, one day, we will be at that professional level. We're not there yet, but we're not doubting the gifting of God. We're not doubting, we're not procrastinating that, oh, I cannot sing today, I'll sing tomorrow. No, that day is past. Right now, if I get a song, I'm singing and I'm praising my Father because He gives me the song. And I just thank God for that. So you too, use the gifting that God has given to you. Use the talent that God has given to you. And let's get this world. Let's create good stuff. Don't create bad thing. Don't. When you begin to do something and it's not right, you know that that's not inspiration from God. Okay. So yeah, we're talking about things that are. Remember, think about things that are good. Think good, happy thoughts. Can you all see? Yeah. Think happy thoughts. Think good thoughts. Do good things that will help somebody tomorrow. God bless you. And I sing this song to end this encouragement today. One talent I have to take to the sky, while others are blessed with 10 of the best. Why should I complain or duty refrain? No, never, no, never, not I. I say one talent I have to take to the sky, whilst others are blessed with 10 of the best. Why should I complain or duty refrain? No, never, no, never, not I. One talent I have. I don't have plenty. Others have 10, others have 5, others have 2, others have 20. That is them. God gave that to them. But this one talent that I have, I'm trusting the Lord to help me not to refrain in using it, not to procrastinate in using it, not to fear in using it, not to complain, when we complain, this person have this, that person, that is them. Rihanna have her own, I have my own. I don't say like Rihanna, she don't say like me. It's not possible, she cannot say like me. I cannot say like her. Oh, you love the song. Thank you. So David don't have his own. I have my own. Chris Brown have his. I have my own. Ezekiel Walker have his own. I have my own. Name them. Everybody have their own. I have my own. So we are not competing with anybody, and I'm not complaining. Shelly Caesar have her own. Mama, I have my own. All my guys, everybody have their own. Tremaine Hawkins, she has her own. I have my own. Everybody. So you have your own too. Don't forget that you have a gift inside of you. Let's get cracking, according to my daddy. Get cracking. God bless you. We'll see you next time. One talent I have to take to the sky, whilst others are blessed with